@+_info. This is Star, my fancy bearded dragon. And I don't know if y'all know, but I breed my own Superworms and Mealworms and Dubia Roaches. So she is trying to get the Mealworms or Superworms. We have beetles in here. I haven't separated them, not yet. But she's trying to get to the beetles. I'm gonna do a video also, y'all, show y'all how to start breeding your own Superworms and Mealworms. My Mealworms, I've already separated them and for them to pupate. And sometimes I leave them just like this with the mealworms in there with the beetles. Sometimes I separate the beetles. I have a drawer full of beetles as well that lay eggs. But I'll do a video on it and show you everything. But yeah, Stars, she must have wormed, so trying to Star. Okay. Yeah. Eventually I'll do a video on how to do this. It's a very simple process. For the record, I came across a YouTuber that said normally when you buy mealworms or superworms from the pet stores, that normally when you buy them you can't, they won't. I think he said something like they wouldn't have the beef. They wouldn't have. You couldn't pupate them. You couldn't start your own breeding colony. But that was a while back, so I can't remember exactly how it went down. But you can. You can. I started mine last year, and in the beginning I just left everything in there and just let them do what they do. But eventually you have to separate the beetles, the pupated ones, and the mealworms. The mealworms, when they're born, they're very, very tiny. It's kind of hard to see them with the naked eye in the beginning. But if you want to know if you have baby mealworms, all you do is pay attention to the substrate you're using. If you see it moving, you'll see the little babies there. This substrate that I use is actually cricket feed. That's what it is. It's cricket feed that I use for the substrate for them. I do throw in lettuce and potatoes. So yeah. I just separated these superworms the other day. I pretty much fed them off. I think I have like maybe 4 or 5 in this container here. I'm gonna wait till they get a little bigger, and then I'm going to put them in a separate containers and go ahead and let them pupate. And then I'll take the beetles and I'll make a enclosure for them to lay their eggs. Which y'all see Star. Y'all see Star. She wants one. Okay, so stay tuned, y'all. We get together and I'll show you. How to set this up. Yeah, these beetles here, they're gonna lay eggs. They will lay eggs. Alright, stay tuned for more. Star, say goodbye. You're not gonna say goodbye? No. Okay, well I'll say goodbye for you. Okay, y'all. Till next time. It's Pet+_info. Please hit that thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you're returning to the channel, I appreciate it. Leave a comment, like, and stay tuned for more pet history in the making. We out of here.